Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add tags to your Truecaller account. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Click on the pencil icon next to your name. Scroll down to About section. Click on the Add Tag field. You can either search for specific tag or choose one of the tag from the list here. Click on a tag related to your business. Now click on the tag which is more suitable for your business. Click Save to apply the changes. This is how you can add tags to your Truecaller account. Thank you for watching.